Hello and welcome to the Crypto Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from the content that we're posting on our channel. So guys, this video is specifically about Discord server, what are the activities going on and what are the success we are getting from here. So as we say always, spot is the best, and with spot you grow slow but you grow definitely. So guys, these figures are from July, 169.84% profit, and pure spot profit and number of stop loss hits you can see here. And we are not just giving you this number, we are actually we have a track record as well here in the success section. So for example, if you click on any trade like this one, so you can properly see where we have given this signal. All right, so you can join and you can track. We are providing proper link of every trade with every trade. All right, so guys, there are multiple sections. Let's see how many active trades we have right now. And you can see bundle of active trades we have in the long term, and we have swing trades, and you can see short term trades and the risky trades. So a lot of stuff is going on right now. So guys, you can come and join, and with every section you can see, you can click on it and you can go to the specific trade we have. All right, we are giving you premium newsletter, which we were already selling on our website, but for you guys we are providing this for free with the premium Discord. All right, you can check this as well. We are posting, we're giving you some detailed analysis about the coins. All right, so premium technical analysis, you can see market updates. We are sharing all the details and information. We have general discussion section for you where you can put your questions and queries and we respond to you. Another important thing is the bots. So our bots are live, so you can actually generate passive income using our bots, and they will automatically buy and sell, and you can definitely at the end of the day enjoy profits. So this is something major. Technical analysis, if you see, so we are providing proper technical analysis on daily basis of multiple coins. We are telling you which points we are expecting that could be breaking points, or the points where you can actually enter into the market and make some good profits. So proper details are given. You can look at this as well, and this is also very premium section. All right, the next thing, if you see, is Bitcoin analysis. We are providing Bitcoin proper analysis at what we are expecting and what market can do in the coming days. So everything in detail. The major like BlackRock, we are telling you what they are doing. They are continuously buying, even in this many retail traders are like they are in panic. We have a fear and greed index that is in fear right now. So but BlackRock and the major ETF owners, they are continuously adding to their wallets, and this should give you some sense where the market is right now. All right, another section is affiliate. You can earn with us, be a part of it, and with each referral you will bring in, you will get $7 on each referral. 35 is the amount that we are charging, and 20% is a commission. All right, so another thing is it will be on each new subscription and renewal, so it could generate a good passive income for you guys as well. So take this into your consideration as well. Joining is very easy. We have provided you a link where you can actually join and see your details. All right, guys, that's all from the Discord. We are providing proper details, proper trades. You can come and join us and be a part of this amazing group. Thank you very much for your time, guys.